Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Tab Active, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this device. Now to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. On one of the pages you'll find a screen recording. If it's not visible on the first page, just swipe to the left and this will show you a second page, and there's also a third one. But it looks like by default it's located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window right here, letting you choose what kind of sound you want to record. You have none, media, or media and the mic. There is no just mic option if you're wondering. And then below that we have the option to show taps and touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. I'm going to turn that on just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. Now from here, I'm going to select start recording. It will begin a countdown which we can skip. And there we go. Now let's open something up. Unfortunately, there is no Netflix, which I wanted to crap on. So you know, I'm just going to open up calculator. Alright, we have physical buttons. Anyway, we have a couple options right here. I'm going to pause the video for the time being, which you can do by pressing on this like two bars. And in this panel, we have a couple options. So we have a pencil, which allows you to draw on a screen, as you can see. Just to kind of resume so we can see that later on. You can also change the color. We have a mouse pointer, which only works with S Pen, so never mind. We have a camera. And obviously there's the stop button, which I'm going to press right now. There we go. This will automatically save your screen recording to your gallery application, or photos, however it's named right here. So let's locate that. So it's in Google folders, we have photos. Now, as you can see, our screen recording is visible right here at the front, but you should be also able to find it later on in the library, and unfortunately, it's also being saved out under camera, so that's not going to simplify anything. Now, the reason I'm pointing that out is because most of the devices create a screen recording folder, album, or at least put it in screenshots, which makes it far easier to locate that screen recording or screenshot later on down the line. But here you're just gonna have it smack in the middle between all your photos and videos that have captured, so maybe still a little bit difficult to locate. In any case, we can tap on it and this will begin the playback. Now, I wanted to point out, I was looking for Netflix on here because Netflix is one of those applications that primarily comes pre-installed with most of the devices. And it's one of those applications that also has the ability to block screen recorders from being able to record screen. So the screen recorder won't stop, but it just won't capture your display at all. It will just have a completely black screen. And I like to point that out because that won't be the only application that has more control over your own device than you do, because apparently you purchasing this device doesn't give you the right to use it the way you want to. And if you ever encounter that your screen recording turns out to be just completely black, just know that whatever you are trying to record just decided to say, nah, we don't allow that. Now, I also want to justify this option in the Android. It is done for security reasons, though believe me, Netflix isn't using it for your own security, it's using it for their own wallet security. And to give you a option that this actually works well with, it would be something like your bank application. Those also block screen recorders, but because if you have some kind of malware that spies on your device, meaning it sees it, the display, if you open up your bank application, obviously it would see what the PIN that you put in on the device is, and so on. So that's not something that you would want to have happen to you, and therefore such an application would be blocking it. But Netflix doesn't really give you any kind of benefit of doing it, only just makes it more infuriating to use. So hopefully that explained it pretty well. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.